Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, Senga Shifra. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for following me. Babale kunjagala. Bamikwano abakola ebintu nebibakolera. Gwe tolina kukkiriza mukwano totawaana. You have to be with faith. Nga toli mugumiikiriza ate nga oli mu that is patient, faith and trust. N'okukkiriza nga mwebuli. Oyagala kuza muntu wo. Oyagala ni abakomawo. Do you want to separate people? Oyagala kwawukanya. We need a pad. This is a pad. Tugenda kozesa pad mwemusirikeko. Muveewo. Pad. You're going to use a pad. Naawe omusajja osobola okufunayo ka pad kamu. Osobola okugula n'ofuna ka pad ko. Oba mukyala yagenda n'alekamu pad ze jjako kamu. Mpulidde ekintu ekyo. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on my YouTube channel. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ngenda kukuba. Vawa ma. Thank you so much. You know these ones are making a lot of noises. So, we're offering a pad y'obulungi. Hey, magic with the pads. I told you. This is our pad. You are going to open it well. You see? Open it well like this. Oli musajja, oli mukyala. Ani ayagala okuzza omuntu? Do you want to separate some people? Oba oyagala kwawukanya wandika wano amannya emirundi 3. Oba oyagala muntu akomewo wandika wano emirundi 3, wandika ag'amaama we wano ku mabbali. Oba tomanyi g'amaama we wandika amannya ge gokka wano. Oba agage omanyiko linnya lumu, you write here also. It can still work. Tewali kitakola waneeno. Oba omaliriza, you're going to fold this pad well. You fold it bulungi nnyo. It is like this. You get. You pray. Njagala kubaawukanya, njagala gundi gwali muno, whatever you want. If you're done, but make sure you pour some water on the pad. You pour some water on the pad, on the pad, so that you don't use it again. But it is okay even if you don't pour, as long as you're not going to use it. If you're done folding it, you're done folding it, sweetheart, get sea salt. Put sea salt. You're done praying, you throw it away. It is a trash. Buli chobo sabiddeko kyonna kigenda kubeera. Whatsoever you pray for, it is going to come to pass. Remember, these things work. Universe, power of the universe, power of the nature. We deal with the home remedies. These are things we normally use on our daily lives. Bino ebintu bikozesa bulijjo. Are you searching? Oli kunoonya muntu wa kwagala. Muddugavu muzungu. Jangu nkubirako. WhatsApp me. Ogenda mufuna mu bitibwe by'ekitalo. Wonna woli, as long as you have faith, as long as buli kimu wekiri. Okitegeera. If you do this, if you have someone you want to bring back, use this pad. Mbaleetera ebintu bingi. As far as relationships are concerned, what you're supposed to do to your loved ones, what you're supposed to do to bring back your love, what you're supposed to do in whatsoever you want, you know? Why? Rachitemo because mubere n'okukkiriza. Eno padi, if you're a man, you're a woman out there, it doesn't matter even if you're a man, it doesn't matter, or you're a woman, you can use it. As far as you have faith, you have trust, everything is possible. You get a point? Trust me, you will win this one. Teriko kugana. Nothing can fail out if you have faith. As usual, I love you. I'm coming in. As usual, Senga Shifra. Thank you for loving me. Keep commenting. Keep following me. More is coming. More is coming. We don't care. It doesn't matter. Just have faith when you come here. You can check out a lot of people. You want long lasting. I told you long lasting is around. Manpower. Some of you mwagala kwongera ku size. You tap on me. You want water tap. Huh? Are you looking for what? Your father doesn't. Ba otalabirira baana. Mukama wa kuli bubyeyo gyokolera. You searching for a job? Onoonya mulimu. Jangu kulagirira ebintu by'oyinza okukozesaako. Woba tobirina bintu myezi embirina. Omwana wa akaaba. Omwana wa akaaba buli kaseera. Tolira kwegamba oli awo tobitegeera. Sweetheart, don't complain. Engeri nnyingi weeziri z'oyinza okukozesa okubeera okay. Z'oyinza okukozesa okulaba ng'embeera ekyuka. Z'oyinza okukozesa okulaba nga weetereza. This pad, if you are a man, you can use it. If you are a woman, you can use it. It doesn't matter what kind of gender you are. As usual, Senga Shifra. Ngenda baletera yakalala engeri gy'oyinza okuzzaamu omuntu. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Leero mbaleteddeko ababiri. Naawe omwami osobola okukozesa underwear yo. Omukyalo ogenda kukozesa yo nika yo panty. Mbagala nnyo Senga Shifra nga bulijjo.